Hello guys, welcome to NX with your new video. And in this video we're gonna give you an update on the price of Bitcoin. And as we can see, we have Bitcoin still above light blue channel and still below our dark blue channel. So we can consider that Bitcoin is currently back at trading sideways near 27,000 level. It's where the price is constantly finding support or resistance, but always staying around this level, the 27,000 level. So in this case, we can say that Bitcoin is still moving sideways, despite this move, which was close to our dark blue channel, to the downside of 13%. We last 3-4 days we had a move back. We recovered 8%, around 8%, 8.3%. So just to be next to the 27,000 level again. This is good to see. This means that Bitcoin is still able to respect the top of our light blue channel, protecting our 23,000 level, and still finding momentum to, in this case, to break above our dark blue channel and trying to retest or challenge our 29,000 level. So in our today we're gonna have to go back to the chart where I highlight the possibility of this moment or this time around the market, Bitcoin market is or it can possibly be the best time to be invested or to trade Bitcoin. So as you can see, we highlighted this area where the DXY becomes weak or lose major support. This gives Bitcoin momentum to grow, and this is not the first time this happened. This has happened before, and during 2017 bull market. It happened recently during 2020 bull market, and there is a possibility that Bitcoin can start a major bull market, or if the same scenario repeats again. This means we need DXY to lose the under level, come around this area, below 100, stay on this yellow box or orange box, the same way it did at the beginning or during the acceleration phase on the 2020 bull market. So for this to happen, we need, of course, to start breaking our dark blue channel to the upside. Of course, this gonna give us an indication that as DXY lose support and start lose support and stay below on the level around this area, we can expect Bitcoin to actually break this break our dark blue channel to the upside, and therefore be able to finally break and hold 29,000 level as support. This would give Bitcoin major momentum and more confidence that we are basically trying to replicate what has happened in previous bull markets. So the top of the dark blue channel is the key. 29,000 level is the key to make this possible. And of course, we need DXY to be below the under level and staying below this level for a while. Of course, at the moment this DXY start engaging with this downward trend line, this could be a sign of a problem, or a sign that the momentum is the Bitcoin is about to change momentum, as it did in previous occasion. In this case, during the 20,000 bull market, we stayed below. We came to the orange box. We stayed there for a while Bitcoin was growing. And by the moment we start engaging with our downward trend line, this indicated that the bull run or the bull market was about to finish. You can see in 2017 the same thing happened. We saw DXY losing momentum, and Bitcoin on the other end, growing. And the top of the bull market was marked after the DXY tested this downward trend line. So now the first time it tested, you can see the market had a little correction, but the second time the DXY touched it, it was already at the top, kind of forming a diversion. So the price of Bitcoin was going up while DXY was forming lower high. Bitcoin was forming higher highs. So this marked the top of the bull market, 2017 bull market, and we might expect the same scenario to happen if we get a confirmation that this the next movement is the same as what happened in 2020 and 2017. Of course, we would like to show you our DXY or our BTC ratio. We can see that the BTC ratio closed between the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, but got rejected, so bounced back down. With the RSI also, despite closing above the 57, 58 on the RSI, is currently below at 49.58. So we think that this this move, this pattern is very similar to what happened in 2020. Although the 2020 took the pattern took a long time to play out, so we went inside, stay in between, touched the 200-day moving average, and quickly bounced back down. So the reason why we think this is similar is because we broke the 50-day moving average, touched the 200-day moving average, and quickly bounced down. Start moving down, got get differentiated from 200-day moving average. So the same thing happened with the RSI. Went quickly to above the 53.91 level and resumed. But the last time this happened, when this happened, we can see that the bull market started and never looked back until we engaged again with the 50-day moving average for the second time. In this case, for the second last time, to mark the top of the bull market. So based on these similarities, we think that okay, the price already tested both moving average, which means which gives us confidence that the price can accelerate a little bit more to prove that this area was actually the bottom or a very important point where bulls were able to hold the price of Bitcoin, in this case, the same way they did on that particular event. So we can predict that this level, or we can predict that this level, so the top of our light blue channel, the price is around 24,600, could be the area where the bull managed to protect the price of Bitcoin and help the price, possibly help the price engage with the top of our dark blue channel and be able to retest the 39,000 level. So that's the reason why we think the 25,000 level, the top of our light blue channel is still holding and might hold the key to retest our 29,000 level again. Another thing that we can cover today is the Bitcoin dominance. Of course, we can see that day by day, Bitcoin is still going toward its target that we mentioned in the last video. That would be around 50%. So Bitcoin dominance would be around 50%. By the time this diamond pattern accomplish its major move, by the time the price accomplishes this major move, we think Bitcoin can actually at least in this case retest the top of our blue channel. So having more dominance could mean that Bitcoin has strength to challenge this major resistance, this top dark blue channel, and of course our 29,000 level, which hold the key to the beginning of the next bull market, or the confirmation of the next bull market. So breaking these, in my opinion, breaking the top of this channel and the 29,000 level, I like to measure the length or the top, the bottom, from the bottom to the top of our channel. So meaning from the bottom of light blue and the dark blue channel to the top of the dark blue channel would put Bitcoin around around 66,000, which means that would be exactly a triple top. In this case, would have Bitcoin making a triple top, and this could happen before November, this could happen before December in this case. And we have this event that started on the 20th of May, which is our next event, the current event, and it will finish on the 27th of November 2023, which is this line. With this measured move, we could see Bitcoin around, or making a triple top around, let's say 59,000 level, which is our next Fibonacci level, 59,000 level. But of course, it could be 67,000 level, 59,000 level, within 59,000 level and 67,000 level. That would be the major move from the length of this channel, from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top of this channel, with a major move that would put Bitcoin between our next Fibonacci level, 59,000 level, and the 77,000 level. Of course, this is only going to be possible if we break the top of our channel and are able to conquer 29,000 level and hold it at support. Otherwise, this prediction would be invalidated, and losing our 23,000 level and the top of our light blue channel would indicate a move on the opposite side, of course, to retest lower levels on our Fibonacci key points. That's it for today, guys. That's the show of today, and we would like to thank you in advance and ask you to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy the content that we try to share with you. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.